Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 19th. It's a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. Let's see what you have to do. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have 2 activities. First activity is your POV and claim. We talked a little bit about this. So remember to always sign into your Carlos Rosario email first, and then click My Document, and then click Edit. What you will do for here, all you will do is put in your POV and the problem. We talked about it. So most of you for right now, you can just put the problem is racial inequality in whatever your topic is. And your POV is the personal story. That's all you're typing here. Please do not submit. Actually, you can submit. Submit so I can see it, and then I will unsubmit so we can continue working. Okay? Unsubmit, and then I can see what you have. Please, this is actually very important to do so I can see where you are. All right? Your second async assignment is in Mel. You will do the writing workshop. Okay, so you'll see it. The 2 writing workshop activities. All right, and that's it. If someone did not upload their documents for registration, please make sure Friday morning you meet with me so I can help you with that. Also, please upload your evidence in the One World folder. Okay, please upload your evidence for your 3 articles in evidence collected inside the One World folder. Okay, so I have Eskel has done his 3 and Milades just put in 1. So I just need all 3 of the documents, please. Okay, and that's it for today. Remember also to send an email. I sent the email last week that you need to email DC Public Library to get the link, or you are more than welcome to come into our regular Zoom and practice speaking with each other. Okay? And that's it for today. Good luck.